So I was just cleaning my truck and I found him, y'all. He's been missing for like 10 years, bro. Oh my god. Guys, back and forth, you know? What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, great morning, great afternoon, whatever time is watching this video. Sorry for the late videos. It's been 2 weeks since I've made a video. The last video should be the removing the tent video, and that should be out soon. But had a lot going on, had a range, and then a long weekend and a long work week, so sorry. But as you see right now, and by the title of the video, got new wheels. So got these for a steal, $400, and they're 22x12 fuel nuts. Obviously they're messed up. What is going on, everybody? We just made it to Abel's house, and we got the wheels all sanded down. We had the sand block on it, and got them with some poster cards on the side, and we're ready to spray. So hopefully the humidity isn't too bad. We got the fan right here, about to close the door later, and we're trying to get these things right. So everything's a little decently smooth. Took the caps off, sanded those as well, and this is the color I'm going with. It's called Rust-Oleum, and it has paint primer titanium silver. It has a lot of flake in it. That's why I got that. And hopefully 3 cans will do the face, and then when I get the wheels put on, or tires put on tomorrow, we can just do the rest of it later, like get the back sides of them and everything else. So stay tuned. I'm about to start spraying. I'll set you up right here, and hopefully it turns out well. So that don't fall.
Missing someone with all your missing someone.
Okay, everybody, this is the stripped wheel, and this is after only 2 coats. Not bad, and these are the decent wheels after only about 2 coats. Already starting to get some gloss to them. You see the spokes and the reflection on the sidewall. And not sure how well you can see it, but these things are really flaky. So once I get the 2 coats of clear on it and let these bake a little bit in the sunlight tomorrow before we put the tires on, these things to look amazing. And center caps didn't have any masking tape, so we had to use some scotch tape, so we had to use some masking tape, or clear tape, my bad. Disregard that, but we had to use that and then cut it with a razor blade around the lettering, so hopefully it turns out decent enough to like have the chrome still there, and hopefully these things dry pretty well. So I'll get with you after the 3rd coat, and I'm going to show you how I'm laying the 3rd coat down. Try not to get high in here. Just going to do a little wavy pattern, side to side. That's 3rd coat. 2nd coat, I'm about to put 3rd coat on now. You don't want to stand too close to it. You don't want to stand too far, obviously. And when you get inside the lip, you're just going to go probably about 6 inches back and forth, spreading over even area. Then we still got 2 cans of clear coat to do. So I'm gonna get with you as soon as we get the clear coat. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that me and Christopher are all high as all get out, just open up the garage doors finally, let it air out, and we got 2 sets of clear coat on here. And we're about to flip one up real quick and see what it's gonna look like without killing myself. Okay, not too shabby. That is gonna look so good on the white Duramax. So, what is going on, everybody? It is time to actually change this windshield, and we're about to change it. So we're about to go meet the safety light guy right now, and we're gonna get this little crack. It's not a little crack. Oh, actually, there's a big crack in it. About to get this fixed. So, without further ado, let's head over there. Parking garage.
With all your missing someone.
What's going on, everybody? Just got the windshield replaced, and guess what? I already have a freaking appointment for tomorrow. I'm getting 40% ceramic this time, so hopefully the gate guards won't mess with me too bad if I roll my windows down and whatnot. And you shouldn't be able to tell that much. And it'll actually reflect heat and everything in the long run. So, I have an appointment for tomorrow at 5 with that, and then I'm about to go pick up my tires in about 30 minutes. So, stay tuned. Guess where I am? Chick-fil-A, you already knew that. But, so I went to the tire shop, right? And obviously the bed's unloaded now, so I dropped them off. But, went to the tire shop, needless to say, I went to the first one that I called, and apparently they transferred you to another one, and I didn't know that. So I was telling this guy, I was like, yo, I want some 285, 45, 22 tires. And he was like, well, we only have one, and it's all beat up. Like, I was like, well, I called yesterday, like right before y'all closed, and I was assured that I would have some. And he said, okay, well, I don't know, I'm gonna write your name down. I was like, well, I'm not gonna get early tomorrow off, so I'm not gonna be able to come. And he was like, okay, and then this lady finally said, hey, how about call the other shop? And he was like, oh, I totally forgot about that. Lo and behold, the other shop is right there. No disrespect to you say, they're hooking me up. Not a bad price either. So, I was just really scared about that. But I'm about to go rinse the truck off real quick because I have legit pterodactyl insects on my freaking window. And very dirty truck. And I'll get with you as soon as we wash it and get the tires on. So I was just cleaning my truck and I found him, y'all. He's been missing for like 10 years, bro. Oh my god. Okay, so first shop couldn't do it, so we're going to the second shop, trying that. And if they can't do it, then I just bought tires for no freaking reason. So I'm gonna be hella pissed. Well, that didn't work at all. So tomorrow, I believe that I'm going to try and actually just swap these tires over from these to those and those to these. They're both 22, but these are about 10, so they shouldn't have much of a stretch. I mean, yeah, I know these are getting really old, but it's cheaper to buy 2 more of these than find some 305s or something. So I'm gonna just do that, and hopefully the same shop can help me out tomorrow and make that work. So I'll get with you tomorrow about it. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. It's back to the second part of the video today. The wheels and tires didn't work out, but we're at Tent World right behind me. We're getting the windshield tint in 40 ceramic, so hopefully it's not gonna be too dark for the gate guards, and then it'll look all nice and black when you're all up on it. They have some sweet vehicles here. I'm gonna show you the Evo inside, and this is one of the owners, so I'll get with you as soon as we get there.
When I pull up on a hater, watch a hater fall back. I'm too good with these hands, watch a hater fall flat. If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing. Better recognize a king when he rapping with you. You hoes suck, it's like you always bring a vacuum with you. Solid like a mannequin, but you ain't plastic is you. Cause if you got a bone to pick, I got a match in this.
Okay guys, we are done with Tent World, and very good job. I like how you can actually, it's not even that noticeable right here to the front, but look over here, and it's obviously overcast right now, so in the daylight it wouldn't be that bad if you had the windows down. But as soon as you have the windows up, it's not gonna look bad, especially with the 5% tint, and it's not gonna get me caught by the gate police, hopefully. So I'm liking that, and the ceramic keeps 99% of UV out. It blocks 45% of the heat, I believe, and it's just overall way better tint. And tomorrow, hopefully they can get these mounted on the same place. Hopefully they can get these mounted on. If not, I got my buddy Grisham down in Aiken doing it. But we're just gonna swap these to these, like I said earlier in the video, and that'll be a separate video itself. So I'm done with this video. Oh, hold on before I end it. There is the difference between 40% ceramic, that is carbon, and you can actually tell the quality difference a little bit better as well. This has a little tiny blue tint in the camera, it looks like, but not out of the camera. In person, it doesn't look bad. So, not bad overall, honestly. And then you can still see in it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe. It means a lot. Share this video around. I'll get back with you next video. Peace.
I'm too good with these hands, watch a hater fall flat. If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing. Better recognize a king when he rapping with you. You hoes suck, it's like you always bring a vacuum with you.